No, my dear. Okay, so let's do it like this. You can hear me well? You hear me well? Just show me a thumbs up or nod your head or something. Yes, okay, good. So let me just speak from what's coming up. Yes? And let's hope that helps. Whatever might be the content of your appearance, no matter how strong it might seem, no matter how real it might seem, none of it is actually really happening to the true you. The true you is the pure witnessing of all appearances which are coming and going. You just see this now. See that no appearance, whether perceived through the senses or internal appearances of thoughts, emotions, memory, imagination, all of these objects, none of them can touch you. Also see that there is no separate person. The person is only an idea, and all that is moving is being done by the consciousness itself. In the presence of your beingness, in the presence of I am, all these appearances are coming and going. In the deep sleep state, there is no universe. But when the light of beingness switches on, then the world appears. So you are that which is untouched by any appearance. And you are unconcerned by any decisions, by any choices, by any movement. All is going to happen on its own. Don't let your mind convince you that you are a person by pushing any button, no matter how strong it might seem. All thoughts are talking to you as a person only. No thought is speaking to you as awareness. No thought is speaking to you as consciousness. All thoughts are personal. So trust in the grace which brought you to Mujiji's presence, which gets you to satsang. Trust the grace to do everything that it is doing, even when we cannot understand. Even when we cannot understand, especially when we cannot understand. Because if we were to understand, then what is trust? Then everything is just understanding. But if you trust the Master, if you trust grace, then trust even that which you don't understand why it is happening. And just say that I am always at my Master's feet, irrespective of what seems to be appearing in and around me. I will not lift my head up from my Master's feet even for an instant. May everything come and go in life. And in this way, not even death can touch you. Because you are that is one with the Master itself. And in this way, all fear, all decisions, all that is happening will have no power over you. with only the Sadguru in your heart. Let all that has to appear, appear. Let all that has to go, go. How long can an appearance last anyway? 50 years, 100 years? It is nothing for eternity. All appearances come and go. So bless every appearance with your own holy presence, but don't be attached to anything at all. Let everything come and go according to the will of God. Not a blade of grass can move without the will of God. And trust this grace. And you will yourself say one day, very soon, that I see that all of this was such supreme grace because it got me face to face with my own reality. I know that right now it might seem incomprehensible when I say this, but very soon you will come here and you will say that it was pure grace, all that is happening. So just keep Guruji in your heart and go take every day by day, let every moment come and let every moment go. You just stay with the Master in your heart, and very soon all of this will go. None of this can stay. All that comes in this world has to go. All states, all appearances, all people, all bodies, all relationships are coming and going. If we get mixed up, if we identify and say this is me or this is mine, that is when all the trouble starts. Know that all is God's alone. Know that it is the Sadgurus alone. I am always with you, my love, and I am always at my Master's feet. Therefore, Guruji's presence is always with you. All my love and blessings to you always, always.